Welcome back to another grocery chat. Ooh.
Okay, hello, Spirit Boosters. Welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita. Yes, you're looking at a hefty trash bag because I realize I'm running out of trash bags, but I came to discuss quite a few more things. And to start it off, the Social Security Administration is giving a COLLAB for next year, and it's going to be 3.2%, I believe. So if you own Social Security, you're getting a raise. That's good news, but still, they need to give like 50% raise. The cost of living out here, especially in California, in places where it's very expensive, shoot, man, the catching up ain't gonna never catch up, because as soon as they do give a raise, you guys know what they do. They increase prices of food and everything else. Like, for instance, the gas is going back up again and again. I can't believe it. I shared with you guys in previous videos where gas was $7 and something out here in California. It is ridiculous. You gotta have some coins or try and manage to get back and forth to work if you have a vehicle that you need to put gas in, because this is crazy. Do you guys think the electric cars are going to be better or cheaper than gas? And ain't got to worry about the fumes. If you got a opinion about gas versus electric, say so in the comment section. And also, I read that Kaiser Permanente has reached some kind of agreement because they were on strike. And I think some of the drugstores were on strike. I know the car people were on strike. And what else going on? I watched somebody's video and they were saying that there was a drug shortage. Like, certain medications are in have a shortage. Isn't that something? If you guys know about any of this stuff, please voice your views, thoughts, ideas, opinions in the comment section, please. And then also, you know, that war going on, and that, I guess that's going to affect stuff. So are you guys stockpiling? Now, I've had my share of stockpiling, and that's one thing that I'm not getting ready to do, is load up on a whole bunch more food. I have few things that I can work with here now. So if some of you are stockpiling, say so in the comments. Also, this virus ain't no joke, because I think I've been sick continuously. Nothing has stopped or ceased for me. I keep catching this mess, and I haven't tested or anything, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I feel bad right now, and my throat is sore. They saying now the latest symptoms of the COVID is a sore throat, definitely headaches and not feeling well, and congestants. You know, we all know about the mucus, because that's what goes on. You just get filled with mucus. Oh, it's disgusting. I can't get rid of this mucus. My son tell me get the sea moss. That stuff is expensive, and I know the product. I might try it. Now, I've tried a lot of expectorants and stuff like that, those type of medications, and they haven't worked. My son say do the oil of oregano. I tried that. Now he say sea moss. I don't know. Have any of you guys tried sea moss to get rid of the mucus? But sore throat, I'm coughing. I don't know if any of you guys could hear the little fogginess in some of my videos in my throat, where I sound different because I'm all congested. But anyway, let's get back to what the heck. I just want to share a few things. There's a lot of food recalls. FDA, if y'all want to check out if there's any food recalls in your area, go to fdaithink.com. Okay, and if any of you guys know any more information, please say so in the comment section, because remember, this is a channel to help and uplift spirits, and sometimes you might get a little disappointed because some things ain't great news, but hopefully a lot is good news over here on this channel. Okay, another thing I found out one day when my husband was doing FaceTime in the grocery store, You know how cheap pork butt roasts used to be. A lot of people might not eat pork, but anyway, still, pork roast used to be the cheapest. Now, my husband showed me a twin pack. It used to be like $15, $20. Do you guys know them dang things is up to $50 now for 2 pork roasts? That was in Food for Less. Can you believe it? Food for Less. Two pork roasts up to $50-something. Are they out of their freaking mind? They ain't getting my $50 for no pork roast. No way in hell am I spending $50 on some pork roast. That's too much. That take a lot out of my pocket. That's a lot. That's very expensive. Can't have guests coming over eating the pork roast because it costs too much. Just like steaks and stuff. A lot of stuff has gone up. Even the heavy whipping cream, shoot, a quart was going on $7 in Food for Less. Are you kidding me? Oh, heck, they out of their mind. But that's what I want to come on here and share with you guys. A few things that I hear going on in the streets, social media and stuff like that, in the news. Lots going on. You guys heard about Congress where the Republicans can't choose or pick somebody to run the House. If y'all don't know, y'all need to be checking that out. In Congress, they don't even have a House Speaker. They got rid of Homeboy. They tried to do Scalise, but they don't want him because they talking about he got cancer. It's ridiculous. These people, I don't know what's going on, but something need to go on. But if y'all heard about any of this stuff, say so in the comments. But I'm going to let y'all go. Have a happy grocery chat day. Alrighty, you got anything to share? Say so in the comments. You know anything about these things I just spoke on? Say so. Oh, about that pork roast, I'm going to share a picture if I didn't already do it earlier in the video. Okay, guys? Alright, don't forget about my gardening channel and my crafting channel. Lots of stuff going on.
Goodbye for now. I'll see you on the next grocery chat.